Good morning, traders. Alla Pleasure, the market open. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. This is a very clear reminder of simplicity of the system. Bold green line is present, and institutions buying the market, you buying with them. Stunning, flawless, perfect point of entry, with precise entry, stop, and target. Trades played out on multiple other charts. I project software on minute chart. What's important to know? How price took its time to remind you what's important when it comes to targets. How price collapsed completely from target RZ reversal zone. And again, how buyers stepped in with vengeance from bold green line. Because institutions buying the markets. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. At the market currently we're extremely high. As we discussed with my brilliant traders, price nowhere near critical key buy point. Bullish rally overextended, price becomes unpredictable. Avoid pain. Allow price to retrace. That's it, pure and simple. Pure price for entry, alpha, Fibonacci for exits. Flawless, stunning, alpha, Fibonacci chess. This is software for Ninja Trader 8 that also comes with multi-market scanner. It plays out in front of you right now. Again, bullish rally overextended, market unpredictable. Intelligent trader understands that. The only good thing that will happen right now, powerful pullback. Simple and pure. No indicator on the planet would tell you that. Only your brilliant, intelligent brain can. And to remind you where buyers came from, this is Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So if I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade, to 5, to 10, to 15, this is the market now. Powerful pullback is crucial. Intelligent trader knows that. Do not overcomplicate trading. So again, if institutions buying, you're buying with them. But this is not the place to buy. This is a place where market becomes extremely unpredictable. Overextended bullish rally is not a pretty place to trade. Overextended bullish rally in ultimate job in front of you right now. Avoid the pain, avoid the middle. Take positions only at critical alpha Fibonacci reversal zones. Middle is pain, middle is torture, middle is junk. Can you do that? If the answer is yes, allow price to pull back. If there is no pullback, if pullback is weak, it's because price not far off from reversal zone. That's it, market stuck in pain. Without pullback, nothing here to do. It's a crawl at overextended bullish rally. Patience is the key. So when you strategize, when you understand the power of simplicity, the sky's are the limits. This confirms again and again and again that institutions buying the market. This is a statement present in the room since December. This is where day trading is a dream, when institutions were taking positions at the end of December. Nothing easy about trading this market. As a matter of fact, intelligent trader takes a vacation because there is so much pain at this level. And that's how trader tests it each and every time. We agree? Pullback in a play. Again, we discussed with my brilliant traders that buying overextended rally at unpredictable place, not a brilliant move. Allowing pullback as low as possible is the only brilliant move this morning. If not, do not trade. And that's stunning reminder. When you trade with institutions, starting December 20th, you are in excellent shape. Last 2 weeks in December, you knew far in advance where buyers would step in from. We're no longer at 3800 level. We are in very different place this morning. We are at 4062. And that's how price reminds you the danger of the middle. The danger of overextended rally. Powerful pullback is the key. So if you decide to take this powerful pullback, understand institutions buying the markets. Understand its counter-trend move. Understand price in horrific brutal pain. And in a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands why price is not collapsing, why market crawling down again and again and again. 80% of your trade is done well before you place a trade. Institutions buying to the downside, it's a crawl. After all, it is not 3800 level. That's it. So please, use your brilliant, magnificent, intelligent brain. Understand the danger of institutional holds. Market in pain. This is easy to trade. This is not. Let me remind you why this was such a spectacular event. To remind you, I'm projecting software on 1 minute chart. All of this playing out on multiple charts. Again, intelligent trader looking to buy. Intelligent trader demands powerful pullback. If the pullback is junky, nothing here to do. This is where you want to be. So when market in this much pain, it's because institutions buying the market. So let me remind you why this was such a spectacular event. Take a look. January 20th. Rates are raised. Market keeps rallying. My goodness. Non-stop. It's flawless. It's stunning. Understand what institutions do and trade with them. It's a very big difference if you are trading at 3800 level versus 4000 level. Institutional long trends can last months and years. This requires ultimate skill to trade. No indicator will tell you when to be on sidelines. No indicator will tell you in advance where market heading to. Only your brilliant, intelligent brain can. And it doesn't matter again what chart you choose to trade. Is it 3? Is it 1? Is it 2? Is it 5? Price did not collapse. Market keeps crawling to the upside. That's it. Price continues with overextended rally. So intelligent trader understands many months in advance. This will be war zone. This is critical key level to the upside. So if I bring to your attention market on that day, December 2022, first week in December. Here we are. Bullish rally overextended. This will be war zone. My goodness, how simple and pure can system be? You knew this many months in advance. You trade, live and breathe as institutional trader does. Chance of sell-off, high 80%. But let me take you even further. Let me take you here to September. My goodness. Can you trade market with institutions? September 1st. This is key break to the upside. To the downside, let me remind you, dream place to be. My goodness. You are glued to the screen, you buying market at 3600 level. No speculation, no gambling here. Dream place to buy from in October 2022. 3600 is historical buy point for institutional traders. So when I coach JP Morgan traders how to trade Alpha Fibonacci system, I know how they think, I know how they trade. I teach you identical rules, no matter how large or small your account is. So here we are, moving up to November 11th. My goodness, bullish rally overextended many months in advance, you know, this will be war zone. This is ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. This is institutional trading range. We discussed everything to expect with traders this morning before market open. That's it. This level is out. This level is next. This is predictive proprietary Alpha Fibonacci system. But it all starts with this. Did we know that market will be in pain? Of course. Institutions holding longs. Price no longer 3600 to 3800 level. Bullish rally overextended and a whole lot of pain. As a day trader, demand bold green line or pain is the only option. That's it. And that's Alpha Fibonacci system with institutional Alpha Fibonacci rules. And that's a critical key part before Fed meeting this Wednesday. So when I'm on my way to New York, my traders will do just fine. No hand holding required. So while S&P keeps testing you to the core and remains stuck in pain, let's look at other instruments this morning, shall we? In preparation for Wednesday Fed morning. So here's Bitcoin before the crash and collapse. December 2021. What do we discuss with my brilliant, intelligent traders? Get the heck out of your Bitcoin trade. The only brilliant option to short. So unless you can afford to lose $6 billion in a single day on Bitcoin trade, use your brilliant, magnificent brain. Bitcoin selling off. So where did Bitcoin buyers come from? Critical key support. It's identical twin structure with S&P. Did you know that? When you can trade one, you can trade them all. Charts are twins. This will be war zone on Bitcoin. And you know this many months and years in advance. Simple and pure. Intelligent trading with pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exits. Amazon is exact same thing. If I take you back before the crash, if you cannot afford to lose $1 trillion, please use your brilliant brain. Volatility will get only worse, and you see it in a single class why I say that. So when you're using your brilliant brain, you're shorting Amazon, you're not buying Amazon at reversal zone. You're buying Amazon at the bottom. Can you do that? That's it. Those are the lessons of 2022. Here's another one. Did you know to short Tesla in 2022? Did you? Look at this positions. Do you know how catastrophic these losses are? One of the top traders on Wall Street, Kathy Woods, her position is down 69 to 80%. So if you cannot afford to lose more than $1 billion, use your brilliant, magnificent brain. We agree? If it's Amazon or if it's Tesla, you knew far in advance where to exit Tesla from. November 2021. That's it. You're trading as intelligent, brilliant trader, not as a gambler. There is no safe haven. I promise you that. Markets will become more volatile, more dangerous. You need to know where to enter. You need to know where to exit every single trade. Collapses and crashes will become worse and worse and worse. There is no safe haven. Safe haven lies in your brilliant, magnificent brain. So there is a surprise where Tesla buyers stepped in from. Collapse from 400 until 113 is a stunning reminder. Use your brilliant brain. If it's Amazon, if it's S&P, if it's Tesla, know where to enter, know where to exit, and you decide if you want to day or position trade. Choice absolutely yours. You can trade it all with Alpha Fibonacci System. No software required. In classes we discussed with students current long-term trades that playing out in the markets now. So if day trading is not for you, use system long-term. Avoid the pain. Trade only the power. No matter if you day or position trade. Fed event will be a lot of fun. Intelligent trader knows the importance of 4100 level. All discussions in live class next. So I love this email where wife of a student, her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. And while Jennifer stays at home mom trading the most volatile future Nasdaq, she states very beautiful statement. Oh, this beautiful game of chess. Everything you taught is 1000%, but only experience shows us why you taught as you did. Richard trades entirely different instrument. As Richard says, if he did not take the course, his retirement account would have been wiped out because he's holding multi-million-dollar position on Tesla. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. And that's simplicity of the system, that you decide to trade on crypto. Ken is here this morning. And that's the power of our global community, where every single trader trades different instrument. Run trading S&P. All of the students are here this morning. And that's what they share non-stop. And that never ends. And that's the reason I live and breathe what I do. Thanks, Alla. The best system ever. Can you do 11 points in 11 minutes? Of course you can. In the key market conditions. Simple and pure. do not underestimate your brilliant, intelligent brain. At the key levels, my students are very active. That's it, nothing less. And when students keep sharing this time and time again, who is not doing well, it's because they're not your students. Your fibs save me. Got out of cryptos at top. Great blessing to be a student. Ken and I met in London. William and I met in California. I travel the world meeting with students. I can't wait to come back to UK. I can't wait to see our incredible traders. Because when you concentrate on simplicity and you do use your brilliant, intelligent brain, the sky's the limit. 80% of your trade is done before you place your trade. And that's what you witness in the trading room. And you decide what you want to trade. So I cannot wait to hear how you will do with system. Thanks, Alla. Your system and instruction are amazing. If Bradley can do this, so can you. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. You can always request invitation for the trading room, but please, please, please review everything on the homepage. As it states, you can trade it all across all instruments, all platforms, no software required. System traded globally since 2011 or with software for Ninja Trader 8 that came out in 2019. So if you are on the platform I never heard of, if it has Fibonacci retracement tool, you learn the rules and apply the system across all platforms. Listen to students' podcasts, view students' emails. I look forward to receiving email from you and choose from option appropriate for you. Private mentoring, the most desirable option, savings $8,000. Includes live classes, video library, and modules. Second option, most popular option, savings $5,000. So when you click on this option, you will see the cost. That's it. Lifetime system for all platform or lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. And you do exact same thing on every option. And that's how you review the detail. Any question for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Do not overcomplicate trading. I promise you, if you can drive, you can trade. Alpha Fibonacci System. That's it. Simple and pure. Now, let's take a break. Live class